Leslie kasi.
Kanta ka na! Tinakas mo naman, Lee. Paano makakanta ako? Oo nga.
Palabas si Leslie ba?
Magwalit sa kanya. Hindi ako makakanta talaga, promise. Wala sa mood. Sa what?
Just look like one of us.
Yun.
Just a stranger on a bus, try to make his way home.
Ayaw ka na? Ako yung favorite.
Got at a face.
Som.
Like everyone you wanna see. You say whether you would have to believe in things like heaven and Jesus and the saints and all the prophets and yeah.
Talaga nag-chinela siya.
God is great.
Ayaw ka na? Ay, Manita. Wala tayong ginawa sa'yo eh. Oo, correct. Mali. Side fix.
Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just like one of us. Just a stranger on a bus, trying to make his way home.
Ito na.
Trying to make his way home. Back up to heaven all alone.
May video kasi nakaka-conscious. So bad. Sige na. Pipili ako ng kanta. Okay, you choose. The chosen one.
Tapos na yun.
Tama na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And the song is for Mr. Leo Yee.